students, hope you all are fine and safe and doing well at your home. So welcome in our this video. In this video I'll explain you chapter 2. Chapter 2 is exponent and powers. In this video I'll explain what is exponent, laws of exponent and standard form. On the basis of these 3 points we will do exercise 2.1 and exercise 2.2. So let's see what is exponent. When a number repeatedly multiply by itself. For example, a number is 10 into 10. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. This number is 10. It is multiplied 4 times. So we can write it 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4 raised to the power 4. We can read it 10 raised to the power 4. Here 10 is called base and 4 is called exponent. 10 is called base and 4 is called exponent. There are so many laws for this. So let's see our laws. Laws of exponent. Here is laws of exponent. First law is, if a number raised to the power 1, if there is a number raised to the power 1 is equals to the number itself. Here we can see the example. If the number is 5 and 5 raised to the power 1, it will be 5. If 100 raised to the power 1, it will be 100. So this is the first law. Second law is, if a number raised to the power 0, if a number raised to the power 0, its value is it is equals to 1. For example, if 5 to the power 0, it is equals to 1. If 1000 to the raised to the power 0, it will be equals to 1. Now the third law is, if we multiply the same number but a multiplied by a, same number, but the power is different, a to the power m and a to the power n, then the base are same here. So we will write here a and the power will be add. So m plus n. Let's see one example here. If 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4. 5 here is 5 here. Base are same. So we will add the exponent. Here exponent is 3 and here exponent is 4. So 5 raised to the power 3 plus 4. It means 5 to the power 7. Let's see our next example. Fourth. Here is the fourth law. Fourth law is, if the same number divided with each other but the powers are different, a to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, then base are same. So we will write here a and powers will be subtract. So m minus n. Let's see one example here. If there is a number 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 raised to the power 5. What we will do here? Base is same. So 2 exponent will be subtract here. So 7 minus 5. It means 2 raised to the power 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. This is the answer. 2 raised to the power 2. The next number is, if a raised to the power m raised to the power n. Here two powers, a raised to the power m and whole n. So we will do here m will be multiplied with n. Let's see one example. If the number is 3 raised to the power 2 and here is 5. So we can write here 2 into 5. It means 3, 5 twos are raised to the power 10. The last one is, if two numbers are different, divided with each other, but the power is same. A upon B raised to the power whole m. So A to the power m and B to the power m. Example is, if 2 upon 3 raised to the power 4, we can write it 2 to the power raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 4. That is the law of exponent. 6 laws are here. Let's see the example. Let's see the exercise 2.1. Here you can see exercise 2.1, and I am giving you first question C and E, then second question B and E. Rest of the all question I'll give you in my as homework or in my next video. Here one more thing I just want to share with you. If the base has negative sign, and exponent is odd number, 5 is odd number, so your answer will be negative. And if the base has negative sign and the exponent is even number, your answer will be in positive. For example, here is base 2 that has minus sign and exponent is 5 that is odd number. We can write it minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, 5 times minus 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. But 32 will be in minus. That will be your answer. Now the next one is 125 divided by 5 to the power 3 whole square. So 5 to the power 3, it means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 to the power 3, it means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. It means this value will be 125. Here we can write 125 divided by this number 125 and raised to the power 2. Here 125 and 125, these are in bracket. So this power will be here also and this power will be here also. We can write 125 raised to the power 2 divided by 125 raised to the power 2. So I told you the law, when base are same and exponent are there, so we will subtract the exponent. We can write here 125, 2 minus 2. When we subtract 2 and 2, this will be 0. It means 125 raised to the power 0. And our second law was, if a number has raised to the power 0, the value is 1. That is your answer. Let's see our next question, that is question number 2. If you have understood the laws of exponent, that simplification will be very easy for you, because that simplification are on the basis of laws of exponent. Here second question number 2b and E. Question number 2b is 3. Here base are same. Here is 5 and here is 5. But exponent are different. 5 and 3. Here is division sign. So we can write base 5. Exponent 5 minus 3. So 3 into 5. When we subtract 5 and 3, it will be 2. 5 raised to the power 2. We can write it 3, 5, 2 times multiply 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 and 25 3s are 75. So your answer will be 75. The next question is, you can see here all the base are same. Minus 2 here, minus 2 here, minus 2 here. Before the curly bracket, inside the curly bracket, minus 2 raised to the power 12 and here is sign of multiplication, minus 2 raised to the power 9. So if multiplication sign is there, we will add the exponent. Here we can write minus 2, 12 plus 9 divided by this one, minus 2. And I told you, if minus 2 raised to the power 3 to the whole power 6, we will multiply that number. So 3 into 6. Now minus 2, 12 plus 9 equals to 21, and divided by minus 2, 6 3s are 18. Now base are same, minus 2 is here, minus 2 is here, but exponent here 21 and 18, and here sign of division. So we will subtract 21 and 18. Minus 2 raised to the power 21 minus 18. It means minus 2 to the power 3. And I told you, if exponent is odd number, your answer will be negative. If exponent is in even number, your answer will be positive. Here we can write minus 2 multiplied 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So your answer will be minus 8. So let's see our next point, that is standard form. Our next point is standard form. Standard form to express large number into small number. Standard form is to express large number into small number. For example, we have 3 0 0 0. We have this number. How can we write it? We can write it also 3 into 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0. 7 0. And next we can write it 3 into 10 raised to the power 7, because 7 0 are here. So raised to the power 7. That is our first example. Now second example. If the number is 4 5 6 0 0 0 0. In standard form, we will put a decimal after one digit here. It means after 4, we will put a decimal. Suppose the decimal is here. Suppose the decimal is here. We are going to transfer it here. So we can write it 4 decimal 5 6 into 10 to the power. So after decimal, just count how many digits are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. So we can write 4 decimal 5 6 into 10 raised to the power 6. That will be the answer. Now our third example is, if we have 0 decimal 0 0 0 0 0 4. So which number is here? 4. Number is 4 here. So we are going to transfer this digit here. Sorry, here. So 4 decimal 4 into 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6. If we are going to transfer this decimal in our right side, the power will be negative. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will be minus 6. If we transfer this decimal in left side, the power will be positive. Let's see our exercise 2.2. Here you can see exercise 2.2. From this exercise, I'll give you question number first, B and D, and question number 2, B. So, next question you can see in my picture, which I will send you with this video. This is exercise 2.2 and I'm giving you for question number first B and D. So let's see, convert it into standard form. It is 965425 and 10 0 are here. I told you suppose here is decimal and I'm putting this decimal after 9 here. So this is come in left side. So 9 decimal 65425 into 10 to the power. Number we can write as it is after decimal. So 9 decimal 65425. Now count the number after 9. How many numbers are here? 10 0 are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 0 are here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 to the power 15. That is your answer. Now this one is 0 decimal. I told you if we are going left side, the answer will be positive, and here we are going right side. This decimal I am going to put after 5 here. Here we are going right side, so the answer will be negative. Here we can write 5 decimal. The rest of the number we can write as it is 7, 8, 4 into 10 to the power. Now we can count the number from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There is number. How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are going here right side. So it will be minus 11. The answer is 5.784 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now question number 2C. The diameter of the sun is 1391684,000. I'm going to convert it. Suppose here is decimal. I'm going to take it on the left side. So 1. On the single digit we will write before decimal here. Here single digit 1, here 5 and here 9. And rest of the digit we can write as it is. 1 decimal 391,684 into 10 to the power. Now which number we will count? After 1, how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer will be positive 9. That is your answer. Here we have completed exponent and power and standard form. Next I will describe you square root. So till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.